Hi, this is Kelsey Harper. I decided to do my final project on the FLG gene, or known as its full name of filigran. So filigran is actually a protein. The gene encodes for this very important protein in the function of the epidermal structure in humans. So this protein or this gene actually encodes for two types of protein, uh, largely the filigran, but then it also produces profiligran. And both of these proteins together work very hard to create this skin barrier that we have. It's approximately 25,000 base pairs long. I found that some of the research differed, and I saw anywhere from 23 to 25 based on diagrams and different things like that, and up to 12 different alleles exist for this gene. But the two that are focused on in this presentation, that's 2 out of the 12. It's also located on the 1q21.3 chromosome. So this is the long arm of the first chromosome in the 21st position. And it is 324 amino acids inside. Here we have a diagram kind of showing what the gene looks like with its different alleles, its different base pairs, and the amino acid sequence we see with the protein domains encoded. So the gene product that comes out of the filigran gene is actually called profiligran. This is another protein that actually works to sever or cut these filigran cells so that they're able to expand and bond in order to make the skin barrier. So this is found in the epidermal cells of the skin. And like I said, it's used to multiply the filigran protein to create this natural hydration barrier. That's its main function. So filigran can affect both humans, both male and female. So we know that this is not a sex-linked trait. So the ADOT2 gene is atopic dermatitis. Like I said, this can affect both males and females, biological sex at birth. So atopic dermatitis is categorized as inflamed, itchy, or flaky skin. There's a lot of different things that can play into what atopic dermatitis is. It kind of varies throughout the person, but genetically it is a mutation of this FLG gene, usually on the R501X and on the 2282 del4 alleles. These are the most significant into keratin production. And without that keratin production, there's no hydration in the skin. And also the missing of the proteins allows the skin to break, which allows this phenotype of the flaky skin. So like I said before, we know this isn't sex-linked, so it can be passed through meiosis for sexual reproduction, but it is not hereditary itself. It can be, but it is not always. And this impacts the production of the profiligran protein, which allows for that natural hydration barrier. So next I have just some images of what this eczema can look like on the skin. Here we see very inflamed, itchy red skin, peeled open. Here we have skin that is flaking off, is raw. This is definitely impactful to somebody's life. So thank you for watching. Here's my works cited, and have a great summer. Hope to see you guys in another class.